I need that blue white bitch on Depop, chillin' teapot, 2 left feet and Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free thot. Shoulda never let the bitch all over my seat. My that a bitch skipping, popping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox, pussy like a meatbox. All grown up bitch, looking like Celine, not that booty.
Could've been 30, could've been a G. Should've never snitched, why you talking to police? Now they're looking at you funny when you're walking down the street. Looking at you like food, trying to see where they can eat. Me, I'm like Wallow and Gilly with the game. You don't really wanna act silly, behave. When I was on stage and a million gets made. I need that breeze. I feel sorry for Skepta, they copy these flow, but they said that it's a new flow. Imitation don't flatter me, but it's cool though. Should've ever left the guy alone in my studio. Put them in the coffin, get them on a tombstone. Yeah, I got a half of the price of a Kudo. Living like a boss man, nothing like Hugo. I need that good price. What the plug turned pagan, tweaking, talking inflation. Peace is needed, getting impatient. Blood, everybody getting complacent. Leg, work, step on the pavement. Victory lap, I'm back in the station. I'm really a psycho, Patrick Bateman. If you see her with me, she's taken.
Blue white bitch on Depop,